Ready? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. How many children can you see? How many children can you see? I can see 2 boys. I can see 3 girls. 2 boys plus 3 girls is 5. 5 children. I can see 5 children. How many animals can you see? How many animals can you see? I can see 4 cows. I can see 6 frogs. 4 cows plus 6 frogs is 10. 10 animals. I can see 10 animals. How many toys can you see? How many toys can you see? I can see 9 balls. I can see 7 trains. 9 balls plus 7 trains is 16. 16 toys. I can see 16 toys. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20.